Hi everyone, welcome back to Mickey is Messing with Resin. My name is Mickey, so let's get to messing. Today I'm going to try the web effect. I've never done it before, so let's see what an epic fail I can do. So I've mixed up 200 milliliters of the Nick Pro 1-to-1 resin, and I've put 20 grams of resin in each of these cups. I put just a skosh of gold mica powder in this cup, just a skosh of green mica powder in this cup, and I did 3 drops of the Let's Resin Ocean White paste. Now these micas I got, they're just generics, no names. I think they came with an order or something. I can't remember. But anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start with the gold, and I'm just going to do a slow, small stream around the edge of the mold. I'm really going to try to get it as close to the edge as possible. Now I mixed my resin using the Resiner's mixing machine, and I mixed it for 4.5 minutes. I just have the handheld mixer that has the stand, and it has a 90-second timer on it, so I do 90 seconds in reverse, 90 seconds going forward, and 90 seconds in reverse again. So about 4.5 minutes. Excuse me. I also used my Resiner's Airless Pro bubble removing machine to remove the bubbles from my clear resin. I measured out my 20 in each cup first, and then I put the big cup in the bubble remover for 5 minutes. All right, so now we go for the clear layer. And I just saw hair drop in there. That's fantastic. And we're just pushing all of that in there. Get it. Spatula. There we go. First, let's grab that hair. Lord. Let's scrape all this out. And another hair. Great. Hair everywhere. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of heat. Pop those bubbles. Do you see a bubble stuck at the bottom? All right, so now we're going to go around the edge again with our whites. Okay, well, that is it for now. We are going to let the resin do its magic here. And I will put some bits in it, but I want to kind of wait till this closes up some more. If I need to come back and hit it with my heat gun, I might do that, but I'm going to put you on a time lapse and we'll see how this all closes in. See you soon. All right, guys, we are back. I got a nice back coat on this. I don't know if you can see the pretty green sparkle or not, but I did put this dark green background on here. There's a little bit of overpour, but we can fix that here in a little bit. But let's unmold and see what we got. All right. Here we go. Oh, now that is really kind of cool. So this was the web effect, but you can see it didn't close in all the way. And if you were watching the time lapse, you saw that I tried to use a syringe to suck some out of the middle, but look, I love this little crackle effect. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. I love it. I just want to say thanks. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it. Remember, everything that I've used in this video will be linked in the description below. Tell me what you think. Make sure you give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.